Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find wallet address on Binance app. First of all, you can open the Binance application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the wallets icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. And after tapping on this, you can see the option question mark icon at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply tap on deposit now or receive now. You can tap anything that you want. I can tap on deposit now. After tapping on deposit now, you can just simply select the coin. After selecting the coin, you can just simply choose the network here. After choosing the network, you can see the second option, that is wallet address. You can copy your wallet address here, and it is the way you can find address on Binance app. I cannot copy address because my account is not verified. First of all, you can verify your account, and after this you can copy address on Binance app, and this is the method to find wallet address on Binance. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.